daqiiqado waxyakaan daqiiqado waxyakaan
Hello, and welcome to week 51 of Radio Kai.
Yes, go on. Welcome to week 61 of Radio Card. Yes, go on.
Yeah, dear.
We hope you've enjoyed last week's show where we interviewed Mr. Thomas from King's Pedlar. Yes, go on.
Yeah, dear.
We hope you are going to enjoy the next show of brilliant music we got lined up for you. Yes, go on.
Yeah, dear.
This week is a dance special. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Where we'll be playing you all your dance classics. Yes, go on.
Yeah, dear.
We also got the mystery song. Now, what's the mystery song on?
5 different songs in 5 guest days.
Yes, go on. We also got his history as well with Osham, haven't we got?
Yeah.
We also got Lacey with the charts, Ethan Scourge. We also got news updates from the school, haven't we got?
Yeah.
We also got sports news, and our interview for this week, haven't we got?
Yeah.
Who interviewed this week, got?
Harry.
And he's from Camel Diary, yes, gone.
Yeah.
Now, what song we're going to start off with this week, gone?
Praise You by Fat Song Sims.
Yes, we're going to start off this week with Praise You, Fatboy Slim.
We've come a long, long way together, through the hard times and the good. I have to celebrate you, baby. I have to praise you like I should. I have to celebrate you, baby. I have to praise you like I should. I have to praise you.
Praise You by Fatboy Slim.
Yes, go on. That was Praise You by Fatboy Slim. Yes, go on.
Yes, Dion.
And now we've got your mystery song quiz for this week. Now, what have we got?
Yeah.
What's the mystery song for this week, got?
5 different songs in 5 decades.
Yes, the mystery song is 5 different songs from 5 different decades. Stay tuned to guess the 5 different songs from the 60s to the noughties.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery Voice. Mystery Voice.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
Yes, we were born.
Song number 3 for this week.
I'm gonna be the man who's going over.
Song number 4 week.
Song number 5 this week.
From mom and dad for sticking together.
Hope we got all the songs of that.
Yes, go on. We all hope we got all the songs correct for this week, can we? Yes, go on.
Yes, Dion.
And what's our next song here now, Don?
Saturday Night.
And this is by Wigfield. Yes, go on.
Yes,
And then
Dion.
after this, we'll have Roshan with his History Corner.
Saturday night, I feel the air is getting hot. Like you, baby. I'll make you mine, you know I'll take you to the top. I'll drive you crazy. Saturday
This is the history. This is the history. So the last one was Saturday Night by Wakefield. By the way, yes, you guessed it right, it's Lacey's song. Right, so now we got the history. So today we're going to two places in one place. So we have, I've been to the Ryandale Auction House with Make-A-Wish last week. It's good, brilliant actually. You really recommend it. Anyway, so Ryandale Auctioneer, founded in 2010 by my hero Angus Ashworth in Kirkham Moorside, North Yorkshire. Is removed auction house, specialising in antiques, collectibles and military. It gained information fame through the TV show The Yorkshire Auction House, which began filming in 2020 and featured Ashworth cleaning home of treasure. It's a brilliant place. I had the bag from them, I had the biro from them, a lot of stuff, and I had the gavel, and I bid it. It's very good. History and evolution. Angus Ashworth established Ryandale Auctioneer in 2010 in Kirkham Moorside. Growth Original. Growth Original is running weekly furniture and household auctions. The business expanded over 15 years from the former car garage. Yeah, we know. Interesting. I know. To include an old milk tanker depot and a funeral director premises, which is now, by the way, an auction house premises with a military things in it. Not like I know of or anything. Yep, been there. Expansion, a satellite office was opened in Scarborough in 2016. Not going to go any more than there, but they were. Anyway, television fame. The business gained significant media attention as the home of a TV series, The Yorkshire Auction House, produced in STV Studios for Really Discovered, which started broadcasting in 2012, apparently. Global reach, while holding in-person auction in North Yorkshire, with utility online bidding platforms like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, £100, that kind of thing. Easy live auction online, and if you search it up, it's going up with Easy Live Auction and the sale room for a global audience, having over 20,000 lots per year. Wow, I didn't know that. Key personal and specialities. Angus Ashworth, an antique expert and auctioneer. Ashworth is a former army member who returned from industry to set up his own firm. Speciality sales. Beyond general antiques, they hold regular specialty auctions for items including firms, military, sporting, memorabilia and toys. And also there's I don't know if I'm supposed to be telling this, but Dion and Dolan can edit it if that's okay. If I think it's not gonna be okay. So also we got like guns, military stuff like guns, statues, and also they got a brilliant thing that Ethan Boney loves. Trains, hundreds and thousands of trains, and I mean literally. The Yorkshire Auction House, the show follows Ashworth and his team as they clear houses and uncover valuable items. Impact. The show has boosted the local economy of Kirkham Moorside, attracting visitors to the town. Related shows. Ashworth has also featured on Antique Road Trip, which is, yep, you guessed it, I watched it, and has new shows planned for 2025, 2026. Also, I'm going to be on one of them in 2026, so if you want to They have a watch in Auction Yorkshire House with Angus. I'll be on with Peter Shilton and Ricky Grove. So if you want to watch, comment down below. For more information about their upcoming not sale or to apply for the show, you can visit the Drydale Auction website. About them, so we got Angus Ashworth the name, then we got Jack, and they got Mark, Nick, and a lot more. So anyway, all I can say in this is wait and see until next week who is going to be interviewed, shall we? Because it might be a surprise interview that no one knows, including Diana Dillon yet. So, you know, there's a surprise interview coming next week. Maybe Matt, or maybe this surprise. It depends, but you will see. So this week is going to be Harry for the interview, by the way, but not next week. It's going to be different. So, how about a little bit of Kirby Moorside, shall we? Kirby Moorside, or Tirtebby, is as it was called in Domesday Book, is a vibrant and historic town, often called the gateway to the moors due to its location on the edge of the North York Moors, or North Yorkshire, and the fact the town had gates into it in the past Wednesday market, Saturday 1254, is still in business today. However, a variety of individual stores lining the streets, and it's one of the few private markets left in Kirby Moorside. It's full history, and the streets reflect the various phases of the town development. You will find our anxiety coating of Black Swan, which was carved porch on the 13th century croak built. However, George the Dragon in sitting alongside the Yorkshire Penny Bank and the Georgian facets of Marketplace, a popular trading post for the coaching route between York and Scarborough. I'm not going to be going into that, but you know, anyway, moving on. And across the moors, Kirby Moorside, once boasted a pub on every corner, which is apparently still there now, just to let you know, not like I know of anything. Today you will find not only the original pubs, but cafes and restaurants, which is very nice actually, being one, and that is the Gavel and Bean restaurant in the auction house place, by the way, if you guessed it right. But cafe and restaurant catering for all taste and a wonderful selection of shops. Which is, have I been there? A little bit of a shops. Yeah, might be a bit of a shopping people, I'll tell you. The Kirby Moorside in Bloom Group is very active and very similar. The streets are a blaze of colour with the tubs and hanging baskets adoring the lamp posts and lurges. So let's go back to this Angus thing, shall we? Angus, he actually lives, yeah? I don't know if no one knows this, he actually lives in Kirby Moorside. You know how I know? He told me. You know how I know? I asked him. Anyway, I'm not going to spoil the surprise, people, do I? Anyway, Kirby Moorside is the final resting place for the one of the history most infamous Roger George Villiers, 2nd Duke of, yeah, you guessed it, Buckingham. He was favourite of Charles II and is described in history of a man with passion for wine, women and intrigue, no strange to politics scandal. He was only of a cabal going to extend real influence over the police. Anyway, I'm not going to go into that, but I'm going to skip what that is. Anyway, however, Kirby Moorside is also a key religious area. The beautiful and isolated dales and valleys are ideal for spiritual and religious community, and it's no surprise that within a few miles you can find St George Minster, Have I been it? No, I haven't. Will I be there this year? Hell yeah, I'm going to go there, I think. Kirkdale, St Kitts, Monastery, Lonstingham, as well as the well-known Rivello. By the way, it's not going to be spelled as R-I-U-V-O. It's spelled. Balland and Amplefor Abbeys. Within the town, you will find the Methodist Chapel, St Charles Catholic Church, and All Saints Parish Church, as well as the French Meeting House, which is dating 1690, but I'm not going into that, but you know. Anyways, so a little bit more of this. We've got about 1 minute left on this, I think. So I hope you enjoy it. And after this, I'm going to be straight to the next song. So, for those interested in researching the family history in the area, which is not going to go into that, but you know, the Ryandale Family History Group. Email address RyandaleHistory.org can help. Also, I'm going to just point out, if you search the history of Kirk Moorside, there's a lot of pictures of the old famous town, now and then. Not going to go into that, just to let you know, because so anyway, hope you enjoy the history about two things: Kirk Moorside, the actual town, and the best place in the world that I really enjoyed, the Ryandale Auction House, with my hero, Angus Astra. But I'm not going into that until the next week. Goodbye. Goodbye, and the next song is going to be, apparently, for Max, I think it is, Freed From Desire by Gala. It's a dance week, by the way. That's why we had the Free From the Desire Gala song. So, hope you enjoy the next song, Freed From the Desire Gala, and I'll see you next week if I got the energy to do it. If not, Dion over here is going to be doing it for history. If I don't have the energy with my chemo. Today, I had the energy to do it, but next week is another week, isn't it? So the next song is Free From Desire by Gala. Hope you enjoy it, and I might see you next week. Goodbye.
My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no power, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no fame, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. Want more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for, want more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for, freed from desire, mind and senses purified, freed from desire, mind and senses purified, freed from desire, mind and senses purified, freed from desire. Na 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 na
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan. Welcome back to Great American Railroad Journeys. The Union Pacific Big Boy number 4014 will be heading east soon, so we'll be going from Chicago, Illinois to San Francisco, California. Starting in Chicago, take the Amtrak California Zephyr to San Fran. Rewind almost 90 years back to 1936, and you're on the city of San Francisco, a joint venture train between the Chicago and Northwestern, or after 1955, the Milwaukee Road, the Union Pacific, and the Southern Pacific. Sporting an auxiliary power baggage dorm car, 50-foot seat chair cars, a 32-seat coffee shop kitchen car, 72-seat diner, dormitory buffet lounge car, that's a mouthful, 8 sleepers, all named, I don't know the names of them, and a 84-foot 6-inch buffet lounge observation car named Nob Hill. While the train is led by EMDE2's number SF1, SF2, and SF3, the A unit's SF1, the 2 boosters are SF2 and 3. And originally before 1938, we had M10,000 for A and B, then car number 12202, 12761, 10302, and then we got 11 section sleepers, Hawaii, Honolulu, Oahu, and Lanai, which are named after Hawaiian places. And then 10405 and 48-seat coach, and a 30-seat buffet coach, 10406. Locus of Note will be covering a steam locomotive this time around. The locomotives are a full 6-2 wheel arrangement, a Pacific. There are 10 built for the Union Pacific, numbers 2900 to 2909. 2 other members, 3226 and 3227, are sent to the Oregon-Washington Railroad and Navigation Company. Number 2906 is streamlined for the 49er, which came before the city of San Francisco, when the Union Pacific's M10,000 and M10,001 just preferred to have a his fit. And finally, all 10 of these engines were scrapped. Today you're on the California Zephyr, as the city of San Francisco was replaced by the San Francisco Zephyr, and today is now currently the California Zephyr. At San Fran, explore many sites, including the Golden Gate Bridge, and remember the City of San Francisco train. The train will take you 52 hours and 57 minutes and cost £1,100, our most expensive yet, or nearly £12 in 1936 money. Locus of no answer is the Union Pacific's P13 Class 462s. Next is Lacey's music charts, but before then, Lionel released a new Vision Line Big Boy for this year. Holy moly, the Big Boy is back. And I've got to say they did Lionel lines for this one, not just Union Pacific or the American Freedom Train.
Thank you, Ethan, for the charts. Now here's your charts. And number 10, we got Roses by Chainsmokers Feet Roses. And number 9, we got Light Up by Nagin Laser and Tyler. And number 8, we got Nothing Like This by Blonde by Craig David. And number 7, we got Fast Car by Jonah Blue and Dakota. And number 6, we got Middle by DJ Snake and Bipolar Sunshine. And number 5, we got Girls Like by Teen Temper and Sarah Larson.
Yeah.
And number 4, we got Faded by Alan Walker. At number 3, we got No Money by Gladys. At number 2, we got I Took a Pill and I Ibiza by Mike Posner. And at number 1 is This Is What You Came For by Calvin Harris and Rihanna.
gael teimlad o fi'n torri'n rhydd. Dwi di ymladd efo fy hun am rhy hir. Felly ma'n amser I hedfan rhydd. Felly agor dy galon a hedfan rhydd a fi. Na I trio anwybyddu yr arwydd gwael a dilyn ffordd well I fynd ymlaen. Ni angen fwy o gariad yn y byd I ddysgu tyfu fod yn un. Ni angen fwy o gariad, angen fwy o gariad, fwy o gariad yn y byd I ddysgu tyfu fod yn un. Ni angen fwy o gariad, angen fwy o gariad. Gan fi teimlad bo fi'n mynd y ffordd iawn. Tynnu fy hun lan a sefyll lan yn gryf. Mae'n cymryd amser I ddysgu sut I fod. Felly agor dy galon a hedfan rhydd a fi, a hedfan rhydd a fi. Na I trio anwybyddu yr arwydd gwael, a dilyn ffordd well I fynd ymlaen. Ma' raid I ni symud mlaen. Ma' raid I ni ffeindio'r ateb. Ma' raid I ti gweithio ar dy hun. Ni angen fwy o gariad yn y byd I fwy o gariad, fwy o gariad, fwy o gariad yn y byd. Angen fwy o gariad, fwy o gariad, angen fwy o gariad yn y byd I ddysgu tyfu fod yn un. Ni angen fwy o gariad. Ni angen fwy o gariad yn y byd I ddysgu tyfu fod yn un.
News from around the school.
Hello, and yes, it's me doing the news around the school. You don't see this often, do you? Well, the last one was, so, yes, like I said, the last one is Mwy o Gariad by Endaf. Now I got the news around the school. Hello everyone, and I haven't been on for a while with my chemo, a bit tired to do it on this day. But anyway, that's enough of that, shall we? The downside of the stuff. So, number one, I'm going to do this in Welsh, or the whole thing, just to let you know. Maybe a little bit of English as well, to translate. So, mae'n rugby bob dydd Merchar, 3-5, 4-5. So, like I said, there's rugby on Wednesday, 3:15 until 4:15. Ag mae yna downside. Mae y Guardian chi'n gorau ar ôl hefo chi. So, like I said, the Guardian had to stay with you. But anyway, hyd ain, dwi wedi bod, well, dwi allan wedi bod yn Angus am y diwrnod. Physically Angus on the day. Anyway, Angus am y diwrnod. wythnos dwytha yn Yorkshire Auction House yn Yorkshire. And also, a hefyd mae yna surprise wrth nesaf. Dwi'n cael deitha chi, mae yna surprise interview next week with 3 people, I think, or maybe 4 people. Yeah, so like I said, I've been with Angus for a day, on me, last week in Yorkshire, in an auction house in Yorkshire, and there's a surprise interview coming next week. 3 interview in 1. I know, how genius of me. Don't know. 3 people, 3 interview, and a surprise. So I won't tell you until next week, because guess what? What? He said, Mr. Williams knows, but who else doesn't know? Who doesn't know? Dion and Dolan doesn't know. And guess what? I'm not planning to tell them any time soon either. So, number 3, so mae'n trydydd, Mr. Irv yn dod heddiw i'r ysgol Eisteddfod. So, like I said, Mr. Irv is coming to school today of Eisteddfod, which is going to be in end of May this month. Number 4, mae yna pie steak and ale pie yn y caffi heddiw yma. There is pie, steak and ale pie, mushroom pie in the cafe today. Also, just going to point out, there's jacket potatoes if you want them. And also, can I just point out, it's going to be Mr. Holland helping, so you know, he's good. And he's a good cook, very good. Anyway, Ceint Pedwar wedi cael ail yn celf yn Eisteddfod yr Urdd. Well done. Like I said, Ceint Pedwar has second in the Eisteddfod yr Urdd. Well done you. That's number 5. So number 5, that is a brilliant well done to Ceint Pedwar wedi cael had second in the celf art in the Eisteddfod yr Urdd, and hopefully you can come in the Eisteddfod yr Urdd, but downside I won't be there because I'm going to see Harry Potter. Anyway, I'm not gonna physically see Harry Potter. I'm gonna go to the Harry Potter world when you guys go to the Eisteddfod. But you know. Anyway, that's like the Eisteddfod people cancelled on Monday. Anyway, hello. But I hope you enjoy this news on the school, and I've been really good. I haven't been on this for a while, so very good on me. So I hope you enjoy it. I enjoyed it doing news on the school for this week. The next song is going to be Bad Touch by Bloodhound Gang Radio Edit. Yeah, exactly. What's that song you say? Yeah. So the next song is Bad Touch by Bloodhound Gang Radio Edit. So if you go video, Google it or listen to it here. So goodbye for now, and I'll see you next week. Maybe on the News on School, or maybe just history. Goodbye.
Sweat, baby, sex is a Texas drought. Me and you do the kind of stuff that only Prince would sing about. So put your hands down my pants, and I'll bet you'll feel nuts. Yes, I'm Cisco, yes, I'm Ebert, and you're getting 2 thumbs up. You've had enough of 2-hand touch. You want it rough, you're out of bounds. I want you smothered, want you covered like my Waffle House hash browns. Coming quicker than FedEx, never reaching apex. Just like Coca-Cola stock, you are inclined to make me rise an hour early, just like daylight savings time. Do it now. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. Do it again now. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. Getting horny now. nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel.
Do it again now.
You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel.
Do it now.
You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel.
Do it again now.
You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel.
Getting horny now.
That was bad. That's fine.
And that was my Bloodhound Gang, yes, go on.
Yeah.
So now we got your mystery song answers now for this week, haven't we gone?
Yeah.
So first of all, what was our 6 keys song on?
You're of
Oh. And that was by Gene Chandler, yes, go on.
yeah.
Was our 70 song on?
Born Alive.
And that was by Patrick Candres, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And our 80 song was I'm Gonna Be 500 Miles, and that was by the Proclaimers, yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And what was our 90 song on?
I like it like that.
And by who not? Run DMC and Jason Nevins, yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And our naughty song was Hey Ya by Outcast. Okay, so now those are your mystery song answers for this week. And now here's your lead road answers for this week with Osho. Take it away, Osho.
Oshan is a bit tired to do the leaderboard.
Yes, go on. Oshan's having a little break for now, isn't he, going?
Yeah.
And now we got your leaderboard answers for this week, haven't we, going?
Yeah.
What was picture quiz this week, going?
Kelly card.
Yes, it was tarot's cards this week. But unfortunately, everyone didn't. Well, some classes try and get best by writing on the picture quiz, can they go on?
Yeah.
But unfortunately, everyone I'm listening here got how much gone?
0 out of 15.
Yes, go on. It was a bit hard this week, wasn't it, Don?
Yeah.
But I promise you all, next week's picture quiz is going to be simple next week. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
So, moving on to our next song here now, John. And we hope you all have a nice weekend, whatever you're doing. And well, our next song here now is, I think it's Mr. Vane, isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
By Culture Beat, yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And then there's no sports news again this week, no.
No.
But after that, we'll have Rhythm is a Dancer. And by who, Don? Snap.
Nah.
And then after that is Harry's interview for this week, yes, go on.
Yeah.
Makes them want to lose themselves to the debonair one. Hold me back, the simple fact is that I'm all that, and I'm
The last one was River in the Dancer by Snap.
Yes, so it's by Snap. Let's go on, Lacey, and last one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now we've got a special guest here with us in the studio now. How are we going?
Yeah.
Who are we interviewing this week?
Harry.
Yes, we got Harry here from Canal Dye. How are we going? Hello, Harry. How are you this afternoon? Good?
Good, thank you.
Okay, so can you tell us a bit about yourself, please?
Okay, so I like being recorded on interviews, and I like reading Dogman.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, and I like playing with cars, and I like being in school and seeing all my friends, and I like the outside as well.
What do you like doing outside, Harry?
Yes.
What do you like doing outside?
Like playing on the swings outside with my friends and going outside to play.
What do you like doing outside, go on?
Playing outside with my friends.
Yes, with your friends Guillaume and Kieran, yes, go on.
Yeah.
Me and Kieran, let's go on.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Yeah.
And Lacey sometimes, yes, Lacey?
Yeah.
Who do you like playing with outside?
Me, a
Yeah.
friend. With my best friends.
Who's that?
So, who's your best friends, Lacey?
Rosie.
Rosie, that's cool, isn't it?
Need for now.
What is your favourite food and drink and why?
My favourite food is pizza, and my favourite drink is drinking water.
Oh, pizza. Which pizza do you like, Harry?
Pepperoni.
Oh, pepperoni's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, it's got... Now then, Don, which pizzas do you like, Don?
Barbecue chicken pizza.
Oh, nice, Don.
Nice.
With
Which-
double chicken.
With double chicken, yes,
Yeah.
Don?
Yeah.
Nice. Which pizza do you like, Lacey?
The Hawaiian pizza.
Oh, are we sure about that?
Yeah, because there's pineapples in it.
Does pineapple belong on the pizza? That's a topic question for today, yes, go on.
Yeah.
Does pineapple belong on pizza? What do you think, Don?
Yeah.
Yes, I think it does. Do you also?
Harry?
Yeah.
Harry, do you
Same.
think pineapple should belong on the pizza?
Yes.
Oh, same here.
Also, let us know in the comments below if pizza is if pineapple belongs on pizza. Yes, go on.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so what would your favourite drink be?
Water, I would.
Water. What type of water do you like?
I like drinking from a bottle of water.
Oh, nice. Which drink do you like, Don?
Coca-Cola.
Oh, nice,
Which
mate.
one?
Which
Diet
Coke,
Coke.
Don?
Coke Zero.
Oh, Coke Zero. Nice, Don. Which drink do you like, Lacey?
Water.
Oh, water. Which water do you like, Lacey?
Still water.
Nice. Do you like any other waters, like sparkling and flavoured water?
I like flavoured water, but not sparkling one, because I don't like fizzy drinks.
Okay.
No.
Okay, which waters do you like, Kosha?
I like orange juice.
Oh, orange juice. Which brand of orange juice?
A squash.
Oh, squash.
Yeah.
Now, which orange juice do you like, Don?
Orange.
Yes. Which brand?
What?
Oasis?
Oasis.
Yes, Oasis is good, isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
Which one do you like, Dion?
Oh, I like Oasis, and I also like flavoured water, normal water,
Everything.
everything, yes,
Yeah.
everything. Yes. Everything, yes, go on.
Yes, yeah.
Do you have a favourite game, and why?
I like to play what game is it called?
Is it Roblox, I've heard?
Yeah, Roblox.
Yes, you play with Don on Roblox, I've heard, don't you?
Yes.
You talk with him, do you talk with him every night on the Roblox, go on?
Yeah.
Now then, what would be your favourite game, Lacey?
Sonic Racing.
Oh, Sonic Racing, eh?
Yeah.
What
And
would-
Mario.
Yeah.
And Pokemon.
What would be your favourite game, Oscar?
Minecraft.
Oh, Minecraft. Yes, Minecraft's good.
Yeah.
That would be my favourite as well. Yes,
Yeah.
Oscar.
Minecraft. Yeah.
Minecraft's a good game. Let's go on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you enjoy your piano lessons with Jane, Harry?
Yes, I do.
Which songs have you been learning, Harry?
I've been learning Jingle Bells and Harry Potter and
Oh, Harry Potter. That's good, isn't it, Harry?
yeah.
What do you do, Don?
Drum lesson with Neil.
Yes, go on. Have you played any... Have you learned any songs on the drums, go on?
One banana.
Yes, one banana. Yes, go
Yeah.
on. Now, what do you do, Lacey?
Drum lessons too.
Yes, you do drum lessons with Neil, yes?
Yep.
And have you been learning anything on the drums, Lacey?
Nothing much except for the paradiddle.
The paradiddle, how does that go?
Like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay, that's interesting, is it? No.
Yeah.
Now, what do you do, Roger?
I learned with Neil a song, Carol Ann.
Carol Ann, that's a good song, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I've been learning how to do Star Wars, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And this will be for the overschedule, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And I've also learned a lot more songs than that, haven't I?
Yeah.
Yes. And we used to have Corey here, didn't we, go on?
Yeah.
He used to like playing piano, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yes.
And he's been working here with us for the past couple of weeks, hasn't he? Doing work experience. Well,
And he went to an acting thingy, which I saw on Facebook.
okay, that's interesting. Don't know about that, you don't?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh,
What is your favourite Man City player?
I like Haaland and I like Phil Foden.
oh, Phil Foden and Haaland, eh?
Yeah.
Now, which football team do you support, go on?
Manchester United.
And who be your favourite United players, go on?
Dordu.
Go to, yes, go on. Now then, what football team do you support, Lacey?
Both England and Liverpool.
Yeah, you support Liverpool, don't you?
Yeah, that
Who would be, rubbish Liverpool, aren't they?
Yeah.
Who would be your favourite Liverpool team?
Mo Salah.
Your favourite player, Mo Salah? Well, I've heard rumours that he's leaving the end of the season, isn't he, going?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is.
Sorry,
I bet you won't be happy about that, I know.
Dion,
Yeah?
I also support England too.
What, you support England?
Yes.
I thought you supported Wales.
Wales, yeah?
Well,
Come on, Wales, yes, go on.
Yeah.
Wales and England. Good countries, yes, go on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, which football team do you support, also?
Swansea City and of course Wales as well.
Yeah, Swansea City you support, yeah. Are they in the Championship, are they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sadly not in the Premier League, no.
No, sadly.
Well, we all know which football team I support, don't we, boys?
Oh,
Man
let's see.
United.
Yes,
Man United.
Manchester United.
And Wales.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
My favourite player is Casemiro and Fernandes, yes, go on.
Yeah.
They go favourite, they go good, don't they, go on?
Yeah.
Now then, Harry,
Yes.
can you do any impressions for us, please?
Yep. What kind of impressions?
Just anything in general would be cool.
Yeah, so I like doing hopscotch.
Hopscotch, how does that go?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
And then I like to do running.
Impressions.
Oh, impressions.
Yeah.
I like what else? Impressions. I like playing around
Yeah?
and doing PE.
With Jason.
Yes.
Now talking about Jason, there's rugby sessions going on. Let's go on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember, that's between 3:15 and 4:15. If you want to head along, it's either in the hall or it's either on the mug if you want to head along. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And that's every Wednesday between 3:15 and 4:15. Just a reminder there. So, can you do any impressions for us, please, Harry?
So what? Like stand up and do
No,
impressions?
voice impressions.
Oh, okay. So I like listening to music on. I like to listen to Radio Pipe,
Yeah?
and I like singing.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yes.
What's your favourite car model, Harry?
My favourite car model is a Renault van.
Oh, a Renault van.
Yes.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now then, what would be your favourite car model, Don?
A Ferrari.
A Ferrari, yes.
Yes.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, we don't like Red Bull, no, don't we?
No.
No.
No. What would be your favourite car model, Lacey?
A Ford Fiesta or a Volkswagen Fox. That's what my Sportage had.
Nice. What would be your favourite car model, also?
I don't know.
It can be anything, any car, F1, anything like that.
Probably my favourite car is going to be when I'm driving. It's probably going to be a Vauxhall.
Nice.
Yeah.
Mine would be a Ferrari like Don's. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
What is your favourite activity to do in school?
I like to play with toys and going out to places.
Oh, which places have you been recently, Harry?
Well, we've been shopping on Monday and then we go
Which shop did you go to?
Tesco's.
Nice, in Holyhead?
Yes.
Cool. Now, what's your favourite place to go shopping, Don?
Tesco.
In Holyhead, yes,
Yeah.
go on. Where have we been recently gone? So we've been to RAF Valley on Wednesday, haven't we gone?
Yeah.
To look at the Hawk training service, haven't we?
Yeah.
What did you think about that, Don?
Good.
Yeah, it was good, wasn't it?
Was it?
Yeah.
Was it good?
What was your favourite place to go with school, Lacey?
Tesco's.
It can be anywhere in general. We've been to Glasgow with, haven't we?
Yeah, and I love Glashin. I wish we can go there.
Yeah, Glenkin was good, wasn't it,
And
Don?
I love Liverpool. Maybe we should go again before we leave, boys.
Yeah, Liverpool. We went to Liverpool as well, weren't we, Don?
Yeah.
To the pop music museum, yes, Don?
Yeah.
The British Music Experience, I think it was. What would be your favourite place to go with school, also?
Well, before my chemo, obviously,
Yeah.
I would really like to go to Glasgow with you all.
Yeah.
So,
So, yeah, Glenkin was good, yes, go on.
Yeah.
What was your favourite part about it, Don? Was it the canoeing?
Yeah.
Yeah, the canoeing was good, wasn't it, Don?
Yeah.
What was your favourite part about Glenkin, Lacey?
Watching a movie.
Which movie was it, remember?
The Bad Guys.
Oh yeah, Bad Guys, yeah.
Yeah.
My...
What you do in the spare time?
In my spare time, I like to have some space myself, and I like to listen to calm music.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I like listening to cool music.
Oh, cool music. What, like R&B, rock?
I like Miles Smith. Nice to meet you.
Cool. What songs do you like listening to, Don?
Happy Sam by Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran, yes, go on.
Yeah.
What's your favourite genre, Lacey? Dance music?
Yes, that's what we're
Yes.
having this week.
What's your favourite music to listen to, Doctor?
probably Bruce Springsteen.
Yes, Bruce Springsteen's good, isn't he?
But Welsh song, Fleur de Lis as well.
Fleur de Lis, yeah.
So,
I've met him, haven't I?
yeah.
In your party, yeah.
Yeah,
Really
yeah.
since.
Yeah.
And he's got a radio show on a local radio station, hasn't he?
Yes.
Well, he hasn't been on recently, no?
No.
Well, he might be back very soon on our local radio station, yes.
Yes, probably.
Okay, so our final question.
There's any.
Okay, so our 10th and final question for you, Harry, is which song do you want to end the show off with this week?
This week it'll be Miles Smith. Nice to meet you.
Okay, so we'd like to thank Harry for coming in our studio here this afternoon, Harry.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And we will see you next week for week 62 of Radio KBS Gone.
Yes, Dion.
And thank you, Harry, for coming in.
You're welcome, Dion.
And we'll see you all next week for week 62 of Radio KBS
Take
Gone.
care.
Yes, Dion.
Also, Miles Smith has a highest record tonight. Don't miss out, Radio 1.
Lonely in this crowd, I sit alone. Oh, one more drink away from heading home. Oh, oh, I could feel the night slipping by, oh, away from me. And oh, she caught my eye through the light, and she came right up to me. She said, oh, hi, nice to meet you tonight. Maybe we could go dance, get up off our feet. She said, this life ain't forever. One song here together, then let's play it on repeat. We could dance all night. We could dance till the morning light. Let's forget about our worries in the wild world outside. She said, oh, hi, nice to meet you tonight. Maybe we could go dance, get up off our feet. We could dance all night. She took my hand and led me through the dark. Oh, she said, feel the beat, forget that broken heart. Oh, and oh, I can feel the night slipping by, oh, away from me. And oh, I saw the light in her eyes, glad she came right up to me. She said, oh, hi, nice to meet you tonight. Maybe we could go dance, get up off our feet. She said, this life ain't forever. One song here together, then let's play it on repeat. We can dance all night. We can dance till the morning light. Let's forget about our worries in the wild world outside. She said, oh, hi, nice to meet you tonight. Maybe we could go dance, get up off our feet. We can dance all night. We can dance all night. She said, oh, hi, nice to meet you tonight. Maybe we could go dance, get up off our feet. She said, this life ain't forever. One song here together, then let's play it on repeat. We could dance all night.